Greetings once again, everyone. This is Swinger and Sniper of Foreign Exchange. Today being the 13th day of February 2023, which happens to be a Monday, beginning of a new week indeed. And today I'll be giving a quick recap of last week's projection, which was on DXY, or the US dollar currency index, and also a correlation, negative correlation with the major currency pairs. So, without wasting much time, with a short recap on what I projected last week. So we're looking at a broken resistance area which will now serve as a support or demand zone at 103.680, as you can see. And the previous week we're looking at a possible rejection. If you follow through the videos I posted in the previous week, you will get a whole idea. So we're looking at this projection, which is a broken resistance now serving as a demand area, indicating a decline in demand. So as we can see on TDI, nice M formation yet to confirm, has to break through the band and also the trade line for a confirmation. So that's what we are looking at in this current week, and this is coming from the previous week. As you can see, a 50 EMA rejection as well. So it's somehow looking strong. So let me get down to the intraday, which is 4 hour. As you can see, a perfect M formation over here. You can see clearly the perfect M formation over here. This entire area, as you can see, a perfect M formation on a lower time direction. So clearly we are seeing a respect to our current demand or support price for a bearish opportunity. So, and also let's pay attention to some of the major data and news in this week on USD, so that you get your various entry points areas. So our next price will be 103, which is this target area, a trouble area, then we get a continuation. So with that being said on DXY, let's look at some of the correlations as well. And also a quick recap will be on EURUSD and AUDUSD. So we were looking at a buy opportunity or bullish opportunity in our current demand zone, which is our appreciation in demand. And as you can see, it's currently in play. Here to see a breakout and a continuation. So with a correlation, negative correlation, as you can see, a decline on dollar and Euro USD, we are seeing a bullish opportunity. So recap on AUD USD as well, which is Australian USD, perfect W formation with a confirmation on TDI. TDI has a confirmation over here. TDI crosses trade line for a perfect confirmation. So that's what we are seeing on the daily time frame. So this is our new demand. It's also a broken resistance area. So it's now serving as a new demand, just a correlation to the US dollar currency index. So we are seeing a bullish opportunity. Let's go down to the intraday. A nice W and CDI. Good opportunity as well. So that means we are right on track from last week's projection. So we could see a doji followed by a bullish. So this week we'll see a continuation of the higher time direction of month, which is a bullish opportunity on month more room, targeting these zones and also EMA. So on higher time, this is how we are seeing also FW formation. So in this current week, let's check out some commodities. Precisely, we'll be looking at oil, gold, and also crypto, BTC, and Ethereum. So let me start off with oil. And as usual, let's start from the higher time, which is the monthly direction. So these are the price bounces on month, indicating a long-term bearish opportunity heading towards. So that means we might see oil around 20 or possibly back to Corona, slightly around zero. So this is the target zone on the monthly time frame. And this will take a while. So you can see from 2020 up to 2022, possibly might take about 2 years. About 2 years. So there's a long term opportunity. So let's get down to the weekly. Now TDI on week. This is our trend line on week. Possible we might see a respect and a decline because of the monthly direction, which is a bearish. So this means from 2022 June, price started declining from 120 and it's been in a bearish direction ever since, with slight correction and also resistance areas or supply areas. So clearly, let me get down to the daily. We have a structure here on daily, which is from November 2022. This has been the bounces for the current time. For the current time, so also we must see a respect for a bearish continuation. And this has been also the demand area or support area for the bullish we are seeing. So basically, there's a higher time bearish opportunity or decline in the prices of oil. Let me go to the intraday, just 4 hour to be precise. And this is what we have on 4 hour. Possible decline as well, where divergence as well. So we might possibly see a decline in the prices of oil. So let's look at our next commodity. That will be gold. Also divergence over here for a bearish opportunity. So also a decline in the prices of gold. Let's check on month first as usual. So in respect to month on TDI, a long-term bullish opportunity approaching our trend line, and we are seeing a possible rejection. As you can see with this descending trend line structure in respect to these bounces. So when we get down to the weekly, It's a confirmation on TDI as well. There's a current confirmation for the bearish opportunity on TDI. So this is what we are seeing on gold as well, and this will be the resistance or supply area. So we are currently seeing a decline in demand or prices on gold in respect to this trendline structure. As you can see, the bounces respecting this trendline structure. And on Elliott wave as well, you're seeing a possible breakout that will be in respect of the higher time direction on months. So this is also the projection on gold, a decline in demand and also prices. So there we have our support zone around 1,800 and also 1,780. As you can see, the prices over here. This being also the last level. Another price 1,700. 1,700. There we have it. So this is our targets. Let's get down to the daily. As you can see, bearish continuation for still drop. So there we have it on gold as well. Now let's check some cryptocurrencies as well. In the long term, we are seeing this bullish rejection or opportunity from a long term bearish. As you see on TDI with a confirmation for a change of direction. So on BTC, recovering from all previous year's losses. But currently, let's go down to the week. We are seeing a rejection in respect to this trend line structure over here. As you can see, a rejection area for a bearish opportunity back to the demand or support zone, possibly at 1,500, 150. So on daily, as you can see, bearish continuation in respect to this trendline structure, which is from 24,000 24,000. That was the price. 24,000. Continuing a decline from 24,000, targeting 16,000. So this is also on BTC before we might see a continuation of the major or higher time direction of month. So wrapping up, let me chip in Ethereum as well. And mostly they are like twins, BTC and Ethereum. They have similar projections, as you can see. We are currently seeing a decline as well on on Ethereum, sorry. Seeing a decline before a bullish continuation. So similar projection on BTC as well. That will be all for today. I hope it was insightful. So let's follow through with the fundamentals since they are the real markets itself. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful week.